Welcome traders to this educational video of Nifty Analysis, episode number 47. I think since last few months we have been seeing consistently Nifty more or less in the range of, on the higher side probably 15,450, 15,570, and on the downside we have seen somewhere around 14,147. I think even right now Nifty is trading in the same range. You can see I have drawn a channel on this particular time frame. Actually, on this particular chart. Actually, this channel has been drawn on the daily chart, but now it's visible as of now on the monthly time frame. So nothing much has changed. I guess prices are still trading above the 50-month simple moving average, signifying that the trend is still up, but prices are pretty much far away from the moving average, showing a clear sign that prices are still overstretched. RSI has now gone into the overbought zone. It is trading currently above 70, and MACD is also above 0. So overall, it is still the same, nothing much change. Trend is up, but it is still overstretched. Now let us study further in the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame also nothing much has changed. I think price is still continuing in the uptrend. Only one thing is visible, that since this is a time correction rather than a price correction, the moving average, which was trading somewhere over here at 11,374, 375 levels, has been now coming close to the price at 12,945. This is a good sign. This is not a bad sign. And also one thing which I can see is many times it happens that price tries to consolidate, it comes down a little bit and then tries to go up. So this sort of formation generally is very good for a very strong uptrend, and which is visible even over here. But more than that, I think there is nothing much present in the weekly chart to share with all of you. The main thing which is visible is in the daily time frame. Now, if you look very, very clearly, you will be able to spot a trend line breakout in RSI. Well, is it a good trend line breakout? I would say yes, because this top of RSI was there in 16th of February, and currently this particular point I have selected is of 10th May. So this is a pretty big trend line breakout considering RSI. Now, one more thing, if you see, even the MACD has slowly and steadily, it has gone above the zero mark, which is also a bullish sign. And the most important thing, if you see properly in this downtrending channel, what has happened after this bounce back happened, and then a small correction did occur over here. After this correction, if you see properly, price went up, again it came down, but both these times price was not able to go below this particular level. Now these levels are not very, very important, not that much of important if you are trying to analyze the daily time frame. If you are a very short-term trader, then yes, they would be important, but as a positional trader they would not be that much important. But one quality of channels which we need to understand is, whenever price, especially in a downtrending channel, whenever the price is not able to test the lower end of the channel, it is generally a sign that the upper end might be broken at some point of time, and probably sooner than later. So what we have seen is these two times, the low which was made was not able to test the lower end of the channel, plus this particular low was also higher than this one. This is also a hammer candle, then we have a bullish bell tool. So this entire setup was looking very, very bullish. Now if you see properly, I've just zoomed this particular chart, you can see that the price has closed above this downtrending channel. But the question is this breakout enough? My answer is no. Yes, it is no doubt a breakout, but I think we need a little bit more ground to be covered. I would say at least 15,200 levels. If the Nifty is able to close above 15,150 to 15,200 levels for a positional view, not a short-term view, then possibly we are in for a slightly bigger move on the upside. And if prices are able to close above 15,000 200 to 15,230 level, that particular range, if we are able to surpass on closing basis, then we will be able to see 15,300, 15,400, and possibly even 15,500 levels. Now, one thing which I could saw, which was very important, is that since last many days the banking index was not able to participate. Today, no doubt, the PSU banking index has come down, but I think last few days the banking index has tried to go up. So this is a good sign, because just by metals or any other sector, just one sector doing the hard work and trying to pull the Nifty up was not going to work. This is a positive sign. Even the auto pack has try to outperform in last few days. So these signs are pretty much good. But talking about levels, as I shared, that yes, we have been able to give a breakout, but you can see there is some sort of gap up which has occurred today. So the question is whether this gap will be covered by the price in next couple of days or not. That is what yet we need to see. And second thing is, prices will need to close at least above 15,200 to 15,230 levels to give a clear-cut breakout, so that Nifty can test 15,300, 15,300, 15,400, 15,450, and possibly even 15,500 levels. So that's all from my side today. Till then, next video, trade well, trade safely.